How to install system updates on a Sony Bravia 3 smart TV. It's very simple. I'm going to show you real quickly. We're going to do it from our controller. So from anywhere on the home screen or anything like that, we're just going to hit the little gear icon right here. And then it's going to open up our settings menu over here. So we can toggle around. We want to get to, it should default to up here, which is the all settings. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit the plus button once we get to all settings right here. Boom. And then once we do that, we're going to scroll down over here on the left. You see over here on the left, we're going to scroll down to System. System, we're going to hit this plus button here, or if you arrow to the right, it's going to do the same thing. Plus System is going to pop us over here. And then we're going to go down to About. From About, we're again hit plus or to the right. And then System Update is the first option. We'll hit the System Update there. And then it's going to check for updates. And if you have any updates, it's going to tell you there's one that's ready, and it's going to go ahead and restart now. And as it restarts, it's going to install the update, and you should be, once it starts up, it will have been automatically updated, and that's all you need to do. So anyways, hope this video helped. If it did, if you leave me a like, I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.